nie rozumiem, jak to tak można, bo to głośne, to niebezpieczne, to szybkie, to takie wywrotne. Wariaty. Wariaty.
Felt like the weight of the world was on my shoulders. Pressure to break or retreat at every turn. Facing the fear that the truth had discovered. No telling how all this will work out, but I've come too far to go back now. I am looking for freedom, looking for freedom, and to find it cost me everything I had. Well, I am looking for freedom, looking for freedom, and to find it may take everything I hate.
I know all too well it don't come easy. The chains of the world, they seem to move in time. I try to walk around it, but stumbling so familiar. Trying to get up, but the doubt is so strong. There's gotta be a wind in my bones. I'm looking for freedom, looking for freedom, and to find that cost me.
Ale sap szybko jadą.
I'm looking for freedom. I'm looking for freedom, and to find that may take everything I have.
Oh, not giving up has always been hard, so hard. But if I do that the easy way, I won't get far. Life hasn't been very kind to me lately, but I suppose it's a push for moving on.